Hello guys, you're welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment, a number one channel for entertainment news gist happening around. For first time viewers, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell button to get new notification when a new story drops. Meet Ultimate Love 2020 housemates. The latest reality TV show Ultimate Love is finally here. Let's get to meet our Ultimate Love 2020 housemates, which started on February 9th. Find out more information about the Ultimate Love housemates. Here is the full list of the 16 Ultimate Love housemates and contestants who were successful during the audition and are currently present in the Love Pad Ultimate Love House for the first season of the reality TV show. There are currently 16 housemates in the Ultimate Love House, which comprises of 8 females and 8 males. Their main goal being in the house is to find real-life long love within the 8 weeks duration of the show. The ultimate prize is an all-expense-paid wedding and a fully furnished dream house. Ultimate Love housemate, the gentlemen, meet the Naija most eligible bachelors who are ready to find love and settle down with the one. Arnold, who believes the way to a man's heart is through his stomach. This seems to be the case with Arnold, as he loves his food, especially egusi. Arnold's longest relationship was with his high school sweetheart, which lasted 4 years. Although he hasn't had much luck in recent years, Arnold still believes in love and spontaneity in a relationship. Violence is a huge turn-off for him. He prefers someone who is a giver. Arnold's ability to write, sing will hopefully enable him to express himself and hopefully his love language too. David Wilson, the 33-year-old from Bayelsa State, isn't fuzzy at all when it comes to relationship. All he requires is some quality time and a personal touch. Ike, the charismatic 24-year-old from Enugu State, is clear on one thing: to find his ride or die. His rotund voice might be one of his best attributes, but his lips tops everything else. Jay, this 35-year-old engineer from Ebonyi State, is grounded on who he is and would never trade anything about him for anything else. He's comfortable in his skin, but also a very sensitive guy. For Jay, love is all about attraction, and he believes it is the basis for anything else that follows. Interestingly, he says he's always fantasized about proposing in France near the Eiffel Tower. Kachi, 32-year-old serial entrepreneur. Kachi is from Imo State and has a deep love for his culture and tradition. The self-proclaimed charmer firmly believes a man should always provide for his family, but has a liberal side to match. He is open to a partner having her own identity. Don't expect looks to knock him off his feet though, as he doesn't believe in love at first sight and prefers to find something deeper to win him over. Louis is a modern-day man who believes roles should be equally shared in a relationship. Having a connection is very important to him. A relationship can be judged in the beginning whether it is for keeps or not. When Louis' longest relationship of 3 years ended, he had no regrets, nor did he harbor any feelings of resentment, because he thoroughly enjoyed his time in the relationship. Going forward, Louis hopes to find someone who is caring and will give of themselves as much as he does. Obichukwu, 32-year-old Obichukwu from Imo State, is more than just dashingly handsome. He cares for the greater good too, as he is evidenced not only by his passion for social works, but also the fact he explicitly mentioned what a huge heart he has. Michael will never compromise on love and believes that ultimate love is finding someone who can complement his life. He believes one has to be selfless, kind, and patient in a relationship. His passion for people has burnt his fingers in the past, as people took him for granted. His longest relationship ended when his significant other left the country. Ultimate love housemate, the ladies. The first on the list is Bolanle. The beautiful Bolanle is not only bubbly and witty but an incredibly multi-talented woman too, with a job resume that runs the gamut from media personality to production manager and even CEO of an industrial cleaning and fumigation company. It's clear Bolanle is an accomplished leader and much to offer. The 35-year-old calls Ondo State home. While she loves the vibrance, color, and richness of her culture, she also feels there's room for a little more modernity and pragmatism when necessary. The second lady here is Cherry, soft-spoken with kind eyes and a warm smile. This was the lasting first impression Cherry made on us as she took us through her profile journey. It's a perfect match for her career as a medical doctor too, in addition to the entrepreneurial skills in her arsenal. The Imo State local is a hopeless romantic with a profound appreciation for grand gesture of affection, dancing and delicious traditional cuisine of her people. That said, she doesn't believe in surface level connection like she used to when she was younger. She's ultimately looking for a man who deeply understands her and accepts her as she is, both the good and the bad. Chris, this soon-to-be 36-year-old, is a cool, collected and assertive brand architect from Abia. She doesn't shy away from calling it how she sees it. So it's little wonder that honesty and realness are things she privileges in a would-be spouse. Don't let her boldness allow you to mistake her for a rule breaker though. She confesses that she fiercely traditional and conservative. Ebitein is a 26-year-old accountant who believes that love can be found anywhere in an instant. In her quest to find ultimate love, her beliefs aren't clouded, and she's ready to take the role of being a supportive partner. Even though money makes the world go round for others, Ebite is looking for more than that. She's looking for attention and care. Jenny Coco, young at heart and full of joy, 26-year-old Jenny Coco is not short on love for herself and is particularly in love with her height, as well as her penchant of kindness. The fabric trader from Rivers State considers respect the most important aspect of her relationship, totally believes in love at first sight. Culture ranks high on her priority list, so that's the one thing you're certain she won't waver on. Jenny Coco also carries an interesting secret, as she previously received a proposal from a suitor, but her father declined after realizing her bill was way too old for her in his opinion. Nkechi want to win over Nkechi. The formula is simple: surprise her. The 29-year-old marketing executive hails from Anambra State and absolutely adores receiving gifts of all kinds, including flowers, accessories, and more. She views herself as a strong-willed woman who recently left a relationship that spanned a decade. She wants people to state their intention and make them crystal clear, as mixed signals won't fly here. Now, with her heart ready to write a new love story, Nkechi is searching for a lifelong partner to give her all. Rosemary, can you give Rosie good communication, understanding, respect, and trust? The 35-year-old teacher can school you on love, as her longest relationship spanned a respectable 12 years. The Ogun State native is never short on smiles, with her dream proposal happening on the beach in the middle of a dreamy sunset. Teresa has the look of a model and the mind of a doctor, as she currently and optometrist. She believes in traditional roles in a relationship, but not to an extent where the man mistreats a woman. Teresa is a private person and believes that if anyone is to propose to her, it should happen behind closed doors. The only time she craves attention is from her partner in a relationship, and the more attention she receives, the more loved up she feels. So, guys, this is the list of the 16 contestants in the Ultimate Love reality TV show. Guys, stay tuned to Nigeria News and Entertainment to get daily updates on the show. Until next time, guys.